Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's directly jump into the video. For my eyeliner look, I'm using Sketch waterproof eyeliner and Lakme liquid Insta liner. At first, I'm going to make winged eyeliner.
The slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
So this is the final look of my winged eyeliner. I'm moving forward to square eyeliner. Now I'm making square eyeliner, but how to apply that.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Here I'm clearing the line from inner corner with Garnier micellar water, and final look is here. So now let's move to cat eyeliner. It's also known as Arabic eyeliner look.
A bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And I drumming round in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak.
Here I'm applying MAC gel eyeliner on my waterline. Giving a finishing with some mascara and eyelashes. This is, yeah, I like it. Okay, moving ahead, I'm gonna make double wing eyeliner and I'm sure you're going to love it. And guys, believe me, presently this is my favorite eyeliner look and I personally recommend you guys to try once and you're gonna love it.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
finally put my double wing eyeliner. I hope you like the eyeliner look that how it applied. So stay connected. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like it. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you like it. Do like, share, and please subscribe to my channel and comment भी कर देना. Bye.